Lord, I've just got one word for you today. Help!
Psalm 46:1 says, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Very present. What's that? It means ready. So God is a safe place to hide, ready to help when we need him. It means he's been tested, which indicates somebody's tried him and somebody knows. He's been a shelter in time of storm. He's been water in dry seasons of life. He is well proven and well able. So when you say, I need help in this situation, he is the help that brings peace. He's the help that sends release. He is our help to overcome. Your victory, even in this, is a done deal. So when you cry for help, make sure you are calling on Jesus. He will answer prayer. And that's a sound bite.